Hi guys, Dr. Staci Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland. I'm here with Gilbert today. He's had a history of low back pain here and there, so he came in today. He's been doing a lot of physical activity just to kind of ensure that he doesn't have any kind of problem. So we're just doing some adjustments to his low back and his sacrum. A little tight, nothing crazy. And so that's just a massager to help loosen up the muscles a little bit. That helps to kind of get some motion into all the joints, break up any scar tissue adhesions between the small joints of the spine. Do you get your neck adjusted?
Mm-hmm. That went really easy.
That was easy.